the beautiful world of S4HANA. So I introduced this afternoon the scope item 2QP for quality management of internal problems. So this scoped item describes the management of internal problem, for example, deviations observed during production or storage of goods. So let's go right now to the first step of the process. It's to create a notification with basic data. So I will show you for the first times how to add a section in your FIORI home. I just have to go on my profile. I click on edit current page. I click on add a section. I will add the section quality management of internal problem and will add all the required tills or app for this process. I click on add till and I'm looking for the first till I need to this process is create quality notification QM01 in SAP FIORI, but and SAP GUI. Quality notification, I click on add, I click on SAP and click on closed, and I've got my first application in my section. So I click on create application notification. The create notification initial screen display. Create the notification, make the following entry, then choose a notification type 33, so I'm use the match code, internal problem notification, and click on notification. A new quality notification of internal problem is created in statute notification in process. So in the reference object part under a reference object tab, make the following entries. Material, for example, we will use for this demo the material QM001. I click on enter. Then plant for material. In the author address section of reference object. You can check author detail, it's me in this case. In the DMS link part under reference object tab, you can attach document, type SQM, but choose create a document. For example, create document. SQM is a pictures. Continue. Yes, I want to upload a file. I will add pictures of the default, for example, image, and yes, click on the JPEG and OK, and in the DMS storage location, it's good. Okay. In the execution part under subject, make the following entries in the execution part of subject. No, in the execution part of subject, priority high, for example. Required date starts today. And required, for example, 1 month plus today plus 1 month, like this. It's good. Required start and required end date are changed according to select priority after choosing enter button. So coordinator, select the coordinator, like this. In the subject section, subject tab, make the following entries. Coding. I will what? Choose QM code. QM code. QM code, and I will select storage issue. Description issue in the warehouse, because that is an internal problem. Long text to describe the issue, the reason of, for example, the box or pallet is broken, or why the product is falling down, all the reason. Okay, in the date time tabulation, you can check the notification date created automatically as today's date. Enter your name in the reported by field. I report myself. So that is the most important field that you have to complete about, okay, reference object, subject, that time, malfunction data, system availability, item, task, activities, items. So I've got I save. Notification is saved and notification ID is generated. Okay. Next step, captures defect, define root, cause analysis, and document immediate action. Purpose in this process step, root cause analysis is triggered and defects are maintained. Furthermore, immediate action, example, defect containment action and defect mitigating action are documented. So for that, I will choose identification, change quality notification. So I go back to my home and I'm looking for, I click on edit current page. I would like to add a new till, add till, and I will like to use the change quality notification. I can work with the work list. So I will show you both. I go back on home and closed. If I work with quality notification work list, I click on outstanding postponing process. So I'm looking for all the for the process from, for example, notification date today, I execute. And I've got my notification, I select and I double click on the notification and I'm inside. So the change notification screen display. Right now, to define a root cause analysis, navigate to the tabulation task. And make the following entries. Code group, QM task. A different QM task, for example. And I will choose number 4, root cause analysis. Task, what is the root cause? What root cause analysis? Responsible username. So I'm looking for the responsible username. I will add as responsible. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Plan start date today. So plan start day enlarge the columns. Plan start day today, and plan yes, plan end date 2 days. Okay, like this. So plan start day I will use, for example, tomorrow. We'll say before, it's not before. Plan start days 7 to 7 and That time, okay, required. Yeah, I understand. Uh, task. Okay. Sometimes we just have to adjust it some fields. So release activities by selecting the corresponding entry and press the button release below the table. You are this release. Okay, it's good. So one, you define the root cause analysis. Second point, to capture defect, navigate to the item, to the top items. And maintain defect in the overview table. Code groups, defect location, code group, defect location, outside, code group, right now, code group, surface defect, defect surface. Okay, what is the issue is scratched. Okay, text scratches approximately, for example, 3 millimeters. Item long text again to describe. Long text, you have the information. I click on enter. It's good. If I want to add a long text, generate a long text. Defect quantity, external, defect quantity, internal, defect quantity, external. So we are internal one. Okay. So we have internal root cause. We have we have captured the defects. To document immediate action on a notification level, navigate to the tab activities. And make the following entries. Action activity code, activity QM activities, and we select immediate activity. Then activity tech stock move to quality inspection stock. Start date today, and end date today because you do it right now. Okay, and for long text, for example, idea of the respective inspection law. I click on enter. I will have the long text available, and I can add the respective batch inspection law, for example. Optionally, the inspection float number can also be maintained on the either level of the notification. Tab reference object, section reference document. Reference object. You can also have, as you can see, you have also serial number, but you have also in this part okay, reference object, section reference document. Here I can add, for example, here we are, insert, and I'm looking for a type. So what is a inspection QM external? Where is it? I don't remember what is the code. Um, Reference number, document ID of inspection law, reference ID, delivery, now receipt, final, office. So in so we go back. So if I go to subject, what is the next part? Ah, yes. Reference number is a document ID. Reference number, reference number. How I can also use this field for if you have one by one notification per inspection law. You put in this field reference number your inspection number. You have also perhaps one inspection, one notification per serial number. You have this also this information about the serial number. So when everything is okay right now, I click on save. Okay, my notification is updated. The status is updated to outstanding task exist. So if I go inside and I'm looking for the statue, as you can see, outstanding task exists. So the next step is define corrective action. In this process step, corrective action on notification and on defect level are created, assigned to a responsible processor and released for processing. You stay in the application change quality notification directly by change quality notification or by the work list. So we can looking for by the information about the notification. In our case, I double click on the line. So we have to navigate to tab task, and make the following entries to define a corrective action on notification level. We have released so a new QM task. This time I choose QM task and corrective task, and text reward surfaces. We have responsible username of this task, plain is today also. I plain everything today, and today exactly the same. Okay, it's good. Select the corresponding entry and press enter, press button released. Okay, select, and I release. As you can see, the statute change. A corrective action has been defined as a task on notification level. The action has been released for processing.